Our chief guest, CS Interior Government, Honorable Murkomen, our able governor, Hon James Orengo, and all protocol observed, we say a very big thank you for this day, occasion of Ujukua la Usalama. First of all, we love to, on behalf of the PWC, we love to thank the government because in the former governments, the children with PWDs used to be left in the houses. Some are being taken to the garden to be keepers of squirrels there. But with this current government, through our chiefs and assistant chiefs, they have fished them all out, and no child with disability is hidden in the house. That is a very big prosperity to us, and we really say thank you. To our governor, Honorable James Orengo, he has done us a very good job with PWDs. In his government, we are able to have sub-county PWD representatives, which has really brought the work down to the sub-county level, and that is very good. And there is one pressing issue with PWDs. This is a very challenging issue, and I think this is the right place because this is Jukwaa la Usalama, and this can interfere with the peace of PWDs at Rarieda. In Siaya County, all the sub-counties has vocational training centers. For Rarieda, I thank the government that they have allocated money, and somehow, there is a mchezo wa paka na panya. The PWDs of Rarieda have a plot at Nyelema. The land is in the name of PWDs. But somehow, when this issue was raised, somebody diverted this project for PWDs Rarieda and have turned it into a West Assembly project. This is a very serious issue because I've visited the office of the speaker, the office of the minister concerned over these issues. Now, this person is turning the Rarieda Vocational Training Center into a West Assembly project. And to make it more worse, we are not being consulted. And in our last meeting, we have resolved that we go to the street. We follow up all the procedures, we get the required permissions, and we go sit down there at the Rarieda sub-county offices so that the governor can hear and know what is happening. Because our land is being grabbed, there is a developer who has already put up a business there, who has already put up a structure, not a business. The structure is at Linton level. And I think this is why we are being diverted to a place where we don't know. As PWDs, we have challenges in mobility. And if you are diverting us from a land which is just next to the road and taking us to Mahaya at a place which we don't know, a land which is not in our name, that is serious. We have tried all efforts to reach the governor, we have been turned down. But today, I thank God that I'm speaking here, the governor is here, the principal secretary is here, the county speaker is here, and they are getting it right from my mouth. Thank you, sir.
Asante, mpigieni makofi. With that, sir, we've come to the end of opinions from our leaders, and I would like to hand over to you, sir.
Tujifikie makofi. Makofi tena. Wale wametembea huko nje, tuketi chini tumalize mkutano. Ningependa tusimame wote kwanza, because I know you are all tired. Tufanye hivi. Pande huu ingine. Asante sana, ketini. Thank you very much. I will be very brief. Ni respond to some of the issues mmesema. Alafu nipatie mheshimiwa waheshimiwa wenzetu wako hapa. There are very few of them. Alafu tunamaliza. Kwanza kabisa nataka kushukuru sana. Ile kuongea kwenu mmeongea vizuri, mmeongea